Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting every immediate source of players. This is where you get volume fast. Complete daily events, milestones, and limited-time logins because they hand out scout tickets and draws. Once done, use 10x pulls with your scout tickets to leverage pity and batch rates. This increases your odds. Make sure to let stamina refill and spend it on event matches and training that reward extra scouts. Doing these steps together amplifies returns and accelerates roster growth. You now focus on maximizing value from each pull and conversion. Target limited banners that list boosted players and known pools because those give predictable upgrades. Convert duplicate players and unused cosmetics into scouting currency, then funnel that into banners with higher expected return. Also, balance your spending. Save a portion of your currency for an upcoming banner you expect to target, and spend the rest on current promotions that offer guaranteed upgrades or shards, so you steadily improve quality while minimizing waste. You finish by converting all accumulated shards and tokens into specific elite players who fit your formation. This locks in quality. Then use the transfer market and player trades to fill remaining position gaps efficiently, because targeted swaps save scout resources. If results lag, troubleshoot. Reassess banners, re-roll pulls only when pity thresholds help, or reallocate currency toward promotions with better return on investment. Doing this prevents wasting resources and ensures you end up with better players quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.